What if you could own a robot that cooks, cleans, walks the dog, and even learns new skills just by watching YouTube videos? Tonight, we reveal how Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 isn't just a glimpse of the future, it's arriving much sooner than you think. Ready to see what this $35,000 robot can really do? Many people worry that as multi-purpose humanoid robots like the Tesla bot Optimus advance, millions of workers could lose stable incomes, and it's a fair point. When ATMs first arrived, many bank tellers were laid off as cash handling became automated. It's almost inevitable that a robot as capable as Optimus will gradually take over some jobs. Yet interestingly, ATMs also allowed banks to expand their branch networks and actually hire even more tellers overall. That's why it makes sense to imagine homes and workplaces relying on not just one, but several Tesla bots to handle chores, from vacuuming and mopping floors to cleaning windows, cooking, and even doing the dishes. Each Optimus can reportedly run up to 10 hours on a single charge, and Elon Musk himself has confirmed this milestone for 2026, describing it as the kind of robot you could direct to tackle countless tasks around you. We truly believe Tesla bot Optimus is worth far more than its price tag. But what exactly can it do, and why should we feel comfortable letting a robot roam around our homes? Welcome to Tesla Car World. Many people have reasonable concerns. Production, downtime, battery, charging delays, and unexpected costs can all affect trust. So, how does Optimus Gen 3 manage to keep running longer than a typical work shift? According to internal Tesla reports, Optimus Gen 3 is equipped with a roughly 2.3 kilowatt-hours battery, drawing just around 100 watts while idle, and up to 500 watts during demanding tasks like lifting or fast walking. While Tesla hasn't revealed the battery's exact dimensions, they've confirmed it uses the advanced 4680 cell, the same technology powering Tesla's newest EV. If Optimus Gen 3's battery is closer to 2.5 kilowatt-hours, it could realistically run about 10 hours before needing to recharge. Unlike EVs, Optimus typically draws far less energy, since many of its tasks don't require constant motion. Still, if it spends hours walking or carrying heavy loads, the battery will drain faster. That's why Tesla is also working on a hot swap battery module Optimus could dock, swap in a fresh pack within minutes, and get right back to work, keeping production lines, warehouses, or even emergency services running non-stop. Imagine having a personal robot companion. It could clean your house, mow your lawn, walk your dog, babysit your kids, and even help produce goods and services. But how is this possible? Elon Musk has said Tesla's humanoid robot is already capable of over 1,000 tasks, and that number keeps climbing. For example, at first it might know how to cook 10 meals, but updates could add 50 more dishes at a time until it could cook practically anything you'd like. And why does it only take 10 minutes to recharge? Recent updates revealed something surprising. Optimus doesn't need to be plugged in by hand like a car. Instead, it can autonomously find, approach, and connect itself to a wall-mounted charger with an extending plug. After recharging, it disconnects and returns to work completely on its own. With a relatively small battery, Optimus can recharge far faster than an EV. About 10 minutes might be enough for a full charge. When Tesla first showed Optimus in 2022, it used standard 2170 cells, making it heavy and bulky. But with the newer 4680 battery, the design became more compact and lighter, dropping from around 160 pounds to 138 pounds thanks to a higher energy density, about 5 times greater, and a roughly 14% cut in production cost. Optimus now fits more energy into a smaller, lighter pack, allowing it to run 8 to 10 hours continuously. While Tesla hasn't shared every spec, we know Optimus' newer design uses about a 3 kilowatt-hours pack, paired with wireless charging, so rather than plugging it in manually, Optimus itself locates and aligns with the charger. This makes recharging effortless and fast, another step toward making the robot a true daily assistant. One of Optimus' most impressive abilities is video learning. Instead of hard-coding tasks, Optimus learns by watching videos, whether it's cooking, folding laundry, or assembling furniture. Unlike people who might need days or weeks to learn, Optimus can watch, analyze, practice virtually millions of times, and master a new skill in minutes. Imagine teaching Optimus to fold shirts. You demonstrate once, and if it gets something wrong, a quick correction is enough. Even more impressively, when one Optimus learns a skill, it uploads it to the network so every other robot can do it too. With thousands of robots each learning something new daily, Optimus' skill set could expand exponentially. Elon Musk has also talked about Optimus joining missions to Mars. While traditional rovers like Curiosity rely on wheels and GPS, which doesn't exist on Mars, Optimus navigates using cameras, and AI tests already show it can handle uneven surfaces and stairs, slowly but steadily. This means future robots could explore caves and cliffs unreachable by wheeled rovers, carry supplies, or even help build habitats. And what about recharging Optimus on Mars? It's still an open question, but if Musk can solve it, Optimus could, to help colonize the red planet by identifying frozen water, building solar fields or placing sensors, all without direct human control. Closer to home, Optimus Gen 3 has already been shown watering plants, picking up packages, cleaning countertops, and carrying groceries, making it much more than just a gadget. Tesla envisions Optimus as a household companion that can also chat naturally, entertain kids, or offer company to seniors. Of course, people worry about hygiene. Can it wash its hands after taking out the trash and before cooking? Tesla's design includes tendon-like grippers built to resist water and dirt, and possibly even coated with antimicrobial materials, making cleaning part of its design from the start. What's also striking is Optimus' intuitive understanding of human gestures. Point to a cup and it hands it to you. Wave at a toy and it picks it up. No spoken command needed. And all this comes from Tesla's in-house AI trained on the same neural networks behind its self-driving cars, running on Tesla's D1X supercomputer. Starting around $35,000. Early adopters could receive Optimus in mid-2026. Musk expects mass production to drop the price below $20,000 soon after, bringing this once sci-fi helper into millions of homes today. When will Optimus really do all this? According to Musk, Tesla plans to build useful humanoid robots next year for its own factories, and scale up production in 2026 for others. This year, Tesla's focus is on testing and refining the design, with a Gen 3 prototype expected in December. Musk predicts over 1,000 Optimus units could be working inside Tesla by 2025. In the bigger picture, the future of manufacturing and logistics is almost certain to rely on smart robots. Tesla's factories are already highly automated, but most machines are fixed in place. Optimus, however, is mobile, flexible, and can take on many different tasks. The next evolution toward fully automated factories. In the latest demo, Optimus navigates around workers and equipment, building its own map of the workspace. It decides which paths to take without help, something we humans do instinctively, but which is incredibly complex for a robot. That's exactly how Optimus could operate inside Tesla's gigafactories, warehouses, or even hospitals and offices. With hundreds of thousands of open jobs in manufacturing and logistics, would you be comfortable letting an Optimus help around the house, from cooking and childcare to cleaning? And what concerns would you have about trusting these tasks to a robot? Tell us what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more about Tesla EVs or Tesla Bot, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Car World and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next updates. We appreciate your support and hope to see you soon. Goodbye.